A very good morning to all my dear students. Today in this recapitulation session for class 9 subject English, we are going to take your lesson number 2 from your supplementary reader Movements, and the name of the chapter says The Adventures of Toto by Ruskin Bond. So students, before we'll jump to the characters of the chapter, let us know about Toto. As the title says, The Adventures of Toto. So let us know about Toto. Toto was a little pretty monkey. Though he was pretty, but he was a great troublemaker. He was full of mischief. He was very notorious. Now students, let's get back to the characters of the chapter. There are mainly 3 characters. One is the author, his grandfather and his grandmother. Now author's grandfather was a great lover of animals. He very much loved animals. Whereas grandmother, she was not a great lover of animals. Now these are few points which will help you in the better understanding of the chapter, students. So the first student says that this story shows that the narrator's grandfather was very fond of animals, and that is the reason that he also established his own private zoo. And in this private zoo he has kept so many different animals with full care and concern, of course. Second point, the grandfather bought a monkey named Toto for ₹5 from a Tonga driver. The grandfather got attracted and he bought Toto. Now Toto, as he was very naughty, he was full of mischief, so his presence was kept a secret from the grandmother. And the another reason for this secret was that the grandmother was not a great animal lover. Right now, one day he was to accompany grandfather. Toto was to accompany grandfather to Saharanpur in a canvas bag. Why in a canvas bag? Because first thing, he was a secret from the grandmother. Second, that grandfather and the author tried to keep him in the private zoo, but he was so notorious because of his nature. He disturbed all the animals in the private zoo and did not allow them to live peacefully. So that is why the grandfather decided to take him along with him to Saharanpur in a canvas bag. Now there at the railway platform and in the train, he came in notice of the ticket collector, and grandfather had to pay ₹3 as a fine. Toto always troubled the family donkey Nana at stable. Now when he came back from Saharanpur, the presence of Toto was revealed to the grandmother, and of course grandmother accepted her. Now Toto was accepted by the family, but now the grandfather decided to give him a very comfortable life, so he thought to make a good stay for Toto at stable, but there he troubled the family donkey Nana a lot. So again he was brought back from this stable. He always enjoyed a warm water bath in the cold winter evening, and one incident was that he almost boiled himself alive when the kettle was kept in the kitchen on the fire for the tea. He thought that water was for him, so he jumped into the water which was boiling, and grandmother came and she rescued Toto from almost burning himself alive. Now the family members found it difficult to adjust with him with a span of time, as he was very notorious, so it was getting very difficult for the family members to adjust with Toto. Now finally grandfather returned Toto to the Tonga driver for ₹3, as Toto proved himself very expensive to the family. He troubled the family members a lot. He destroyed so many things. He broke so many things. He was proving himself very expensive. So that is why grandfather understood that Toto is not that sort of animal that can be kept as a pet for a long time. So he returned Toto to the Tonga driver for just ₹3 this time. So student, the message of the story says that we should love animals. We should also treat them with respect. Means we should always respect the nature of the animals. right? So this is what the message is conveyed through the story. Class, this is a home assignment and you have to attempt all the questions along with the vocabulary words in your loose sheets. Though I am going to discuss the questions over here, please listen and understand very carefully. Question 1 says, Toto was a pretty monkey. Explain or comment. Yes, of course. Toto had a bright eyes sparkling with mischief. His teeth were pearly white, quick and wicked fingers, and gracious tail which served as a third hand. The smile of Toto was also very attractive. That is why Toto was a pretty monkey. Question number 2 says, why does the author say Toto was not the sort of pet we could keep for long? Yes, I have just discussed, because Toto proved himself very expensive to the family, right? And Toto's misdeeds into consideration. Nobody could afford the frequent losses. He disturbed all the animals too. Obviously, then Toto was not the sort of pet we could keep for a long time. That is why the author said so. Question number 3. What happened when Toto tried to escape? Remember, Toto was traveling with the grandfather in a canvas bag. There he tried to escape. But what happened? The canvas bag was too strong for him to bite. Toto wanted to escape from that particular bag. While making his effort to get out, he occasionally rolled about or jumped in the air as he was inside the bag, so the onlookers, the people who were watching the bag, could not see him. In this way, the onlookers, the people on the Dehradun platform, they got attracted towards the bag that was rolling and jumping at the platform. Right? Next question says, the inclusion of Toto in the grandfather's private zoo was very interesting. How? Yes, of course, as Toto was very notorious, he did not allow any animal to sleep peacefully. He disturbed each and every animal in the private zoo, right? And that is why again Toto was brought back to the home from the private zoo. So this is how this was very interesting, that how Toto disturbed other animals, how Toto proved himself very notorious because of his naughty nature. He did not allow any animals to be peacefully living over there. So that is the answer, and I hope it is clear to all of you. Next question says, animals should be treated with love and respect. Comment on the statement with the reference to the chapter, The Adventures of Toto. Yes, it is right that the animals should be treated with love and respect. It is not right to show cruelty towards them. Even the wild animals should be treated with care, right? In the story The Adventures of Toto, we find grandfather showing love and kindness towards animal. He had also set up a mini zoo in his house where he had kept number of animals. He also tried to give Toto a very comfortable life. But since pet animals give us company, we should look after them with love and care, right? So students, I hope all the questions, all the answers are clear to all of you. Now these are few vocabulary words that you need to find out the meanings from your dictionary and write them down. The first word is wicked, second is your grin, third is your halter, then wrenched, then first, sparkle, and last is your tame. So with this students, I hope the chapter is clear to all of you, the story is clear to all of you. So thank you students, thank you so much.